Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I am going to share with you a very famous Indian cooling drink called as Lassi. Now this Lassi is also known as sweet buttermilk. I will be showing you a very simple yet very authentic way of having this Lassi so that it serves its purpose of helping with the digestion. Sometimes this drink is made with different fruits, which is very good for flavor, but as per Ayurveda, it has not been considered very favorable for the stomach. Usually, Lassi is meant to help in digestion, but the kind of ingredients we use together for making it, it actually creates an havoc in the stomach. So let's look into making the authentic way. So here I have taken seeds from the cardamom pods. These are like 2 cardamom pods from where I took the seeds. Cardamom will help in calming all the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Now after this, I will be using some jaggery. Jaggery is very helpful in easing the bowel movements. It is actually used for curing dry coughs. It is helpful in indigestion or constipation. Now here I added few tablespoons, like around 2 tablespoons of filtered water. You can skip this step and just use a mortar pestle and just crush the jaggery like that. I added water so that I can let the jaggery little bit melt in the water. Now I added our main ingredient, which is yogurt. I added nearly 1.5 cups of it. Now yogurt, as we all know, it is a very good probiotic. It helps with digestion, but the Kapha people are recommended for it to take it in a moderate proportion because it also aggravates the Kapha, like jaggery. So now, because yogurt and jaggery, they kind of aggravate the Kapha, that is why we are using the cardamom spice, which will actually balance it out. And then after this, we will also use some saffron. For this amount of yogurt, we will be using around 3 to 4 strands of saffron only. Now saffron also helps in balancing the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Now this Ayurvedic drink or this Lassi drink is very good for Vata and Pitta people, because whenever there is indigestion, this is the best thing to do, and in this manner. Ayurveda recommends not to mix fruits with yogurt or milk. So this is the reason why many times, even if we drink mango lassi, which is really very tasty, I understand, but what happens is that it actually creates a complete opposite effect in the stomach. So here, as you see, I am blending everything together. Because adding that water to jaggery, it helped it to melt down a little bit and become soft, so it was easy to blend it. So I am going to pulse it until the entire jaggery is completely blended with the yogurt. So here our perfect Ayurvedic authentic lassi is prepared, and if you will drink this lassi, you will notice the difference on your stomach. I have tried this personally and I have fallen in love with it. So as you see from the ingredients, this recipe is perfectly suitable for Ekadashi day. This completes our recipe by placing a tulsi leaf and offering it at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.